days off. And today it's Sunday. You know what that means? Sunday run day. Now I know that I haven't uploaded I'm pretty sure Fridays or Saturdays. I have to go back and check it. But that just means, since I didn't upload it, and I don't have footage of it, because I don't, that means that it didn't happen. So on today's run, not only am I running 5 miles, but also, I'm going to be having a hard time tying my shoe. I'm also going to be doing the workouts that I missed out on uploading and not filming, so they didn't happen. So I will be doing them again today. Or actually, they were different ones. I did jumping jacks, which I can't do correctly. So, crunches and push-ups today. Every mile that I run, it'll be something different. Up until that 5 mile mark. Because, well, don't want to do it unevenly. So, the first mile, I'll either do push-ups or sit-ups. The second mile, I'll do the opposite one. Third mile, I'll do the first one again. Fourth mile, I'll do the second one again. And fifth mile, I'll just continue to run. So, let's go. Not quite 1 mile from where it usually is, but that's because I think I started the clock a bit sooner than I normally do. So yeah, let's pump out 20 crutches. Here we go. I have you guys beside me so you can hear me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I gotta fix my headphones. This is just the first part of this workout. I'll see you guys in about an hour. Not an hour. About a mile when I do the push-ups. Alright. Okay guys, apparently we're at 2.2 miles. Even though that's not for another almost quarter of a mile, but okay, anyway. 20 push-ups, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I either did 20 or 21. I'll go back and I'll edit it later to see. All right. Woo. Yeah. Back to the room we go. Okay, no days off, people, Vlog Galaxy people. I don't know how they're keeping tabs of this, but apparently this is the 2.5 mile mark, and it's saying 3 miles. So yeah. Anyway, here we go with some more crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And if you do believe me that I actually did those, you probably heard my headset hitting the ground every time. But anyways, back to running. Here we go. Okay, no days off, vlog, whatever. I don't know how they got this all mixed up. Right now, this would just be like the 3 mile turnaround. I'm already at 4. That means I'm going to get down to 5 even before I get there. So it might be a 6 mile run today. Hey! So I'm doing half and half on the 5 mile. Anyway, let's get up 20 more push-ups. Jesus Christ. Anyway, here we go. 20 more push-ups. Last one, come on! Ah! Guys, no wonder it had me doing fucked up workouts. It was already at 6 miles. It got all looped. I went at 10 by the end of my run. It had me cutting through the subdivision right over here. I never did that. I'm not even at 4 miles yet. Jesus. Well, 5 miles technically. About to be at 4 in a second. But damn it! Anyway, so I'm going to do my workouts when I get there. Alright. Alright. No days off, Thought Galaxy. Whatever the hell you want to call yourself, really. Except for Thought Galaxy. That's actually the vlog. Yeah, since I've reached 5, I'm going to do 10 at 10. Alright? You see my feet? Alright, that's where you're going to be because that's what I'm going to do push-ups too. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one sit up just to get the fuck up. Put my key beside you. My headphones hanging off. That's okay. Let's here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah! And why I'm saying is because my hand's screaming across the ground. My gimp hand. Ow! Alright. I'll see you guys when I get home. Yeah! Well, that run utterly sucked some shit. I got the other 2 workouts that I need to do in there. Well, the run itself sucked because halfway through the run, I pretty much had to hold my phone outside so I can hear it on my headphones. I could just not take my headphones and held it up to my ear and it heard it perfectly fine. But yeah, then the last part, my little sprint that I do for me and Ben, it changed. The music changed in the middle of it. So yeah, that run just sucked. So, no days off, Toronto not to run Sunday run day, fuck you. See you guys tomorrow.